Hi and welcome to the Climate Report. I'm standing here with Sommer, who just went off stage from Qonnections 2017.
Yes. Yeah.
You had a session around data literacy. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yes, I think data literacy is really emerging as an extremely strong trend, because just like literacy emerged 100 years ago as something that was a must-have to move into the industrial age, I think digital and data literacy becomes a must-have in our age, essentially. And even though self-service visualization tools take you some part of the way, you also need to build up a much deeper skill set in organizations. So that's what I was talking about. Qlik actually has on Continuous Classroom 6 modules that can be listened to for free to drive more data literacy in society and in your organization.
I went to the Gartner Summit in London this year, and they talked about data-driven organizations a lot, and they also talked about tips on how to become a data-driven organization. And I think there were like 5 tips or something, and one of them was hiring data-driven people. But what do we do with the ones we have? Yeah, that's an interesting question, and I really appreciated your lifting the subject of data literacy and with the continuous classroom and everything. Speaking of Gartner, as an old Gartner man, congratulations on the 7th annual year.
Yes, I believe it's a record for the industry. 7 years leader. The dots are moving between the years, but we know that when we are in the leaders quadrant, we tend to get invited to proof of concepts, and when we get invited to proof of concepts, we win. We're kind of like John Travolta. Once we get on the dance floor, we woo everyone, but sometimes outside of the dance floor, it's tough to convince people. So we're very happy about that, and I encourage everyone not just to look at the picture, but actually read the report as well behind it.
At the Gartner event in the quadrant, Smart Data Discovery is one of the new themes. And you here released AI as your own interpretation of AI. Can you give us some comments on this?
We absolutely see that machine learning and machine intelligence is an emerging trend, and it's coming fast. But we also think that machine intelligence on its own, a sort of black box style analytics, won't be enough. And frankly, those smart data discovery tools that have been launched to this point haven't been very successful. For that reason, they haven't reached beyond, let's say, the data scientist that crawls huge amounts of data. So we think if you combine the scalability of machine intelligence with the scalability of the collective human intelligence, where you have a much more human-centered, augmented intelligence approach, if you get those combinations with each other, we have a unique opportunity to grab that space, which we call augmented intelligence.
Yeah, and it's people first.
It's people first, with help of the machine.
Thank you, Dan. It's been a great conference. Good to see you again.
And you, Olof. Always a pleasure.
Thank you.